people so peculiar in renewal and comeback. You can't lack of their capacity to take it. The mammoth rests between cyclonic dramas. The people so often sleepy, wary, and enigmatic is a vast model with many units saying, I earn my living. I make enough to get by and it takes all my time. If I had more time, I would do more for myself and maybe for others. I could read and study and talk things over and find out about things. It takes time. I wish I had the time. The people know the salt of the sea and the strength of the winds, lashing the orders of the earth. The people take the earth as a tomb of rest and a cradle of hope.
Who else speaks for the family of man?
They are issued and set with constellations of universal law. In the darkness, in the great battle of grief, the people march. In the night, and overhead the shuffle of stars for keeps, the people march.
Where to? What next?
Do you know that all the great work of the world is done through me?
I am the working man, the inventor, the maker of the world's food and clothes. I am the audience that witnesses history. The Napoleons come from me and the Lincolns. They died, and they sent for more, and more, and more Napoleons and Lincolns. I am the sea ground. I am a prairie that was sad for much flowing. Terrible storms passed over me. I forget. The best of me is sucked out and wasted. I forget. Everything but death comes to me and makes me work and give up what I have. And I forget. Sometimes I drown, shake myself and sputter a few red drops for history to remember. Then I forget. The people learn to remember when I, the people, use the lessons of yesterday and no longer forget who robbed me last year, who played me for a fool,